in Petaluma. This is the Daily Axe summer soiree, and we are cooking pizzas for everybody. And so we have gluten-free pizzas. And what's very exciting is we're using Miyokos gluten-free vegan butter. We're actually using the butter, the gluten, the Miyokos. This is cashew and coconut oil. Very good. So we're putting dollops of this right onto the pizzas.
But we gotta break the cycle.
Right, and then putting some garlic, so it's kind of like a garlic bread on top of vegan cheese. And then we have some gourmet mushrooms here from Sebastopol, from Miyokos gourmet mushrooms. And then we'll put a little bit of fennel on there. And just a couple pieces of pineapple, a little sweetness. And maybe a couple artichoke hearts, right? And so now we'll go ahead and put this in the oven. This one here is ready. Okay, that's that one. So if someone wants to slice that up and eat, that'd be great. So we built this oven about 10 years ago in 2008. Actually, it might be 11 years ago now. It was a weekend workshop with Daily Axe, one of the Ripple workshops. And so we did this, and so putting it to good use. So yeah, we're using all the firewood. It's all from the mulberry trees, right from here. And look at these mulberries right here. Aren't these amazing? These are the most amazing mulberries. Wow. It's so good.
Hey Miguel, how you doing?
Hello, hey.
What's going on?
Well, we're here at the Barlow. We're at the Sebastopol Community Market, and I'm here with the Gingerbread Hut. It's a little model demonstration of super low-cost housing. It's just built out of earth and pallets and straw. And so, it's pretty cool. This is like a block party for the Barlow. Come inside. Yeah, if you want to come on in, you can see I'm kind of using the space as a workstation. So so I'm making gluten-free vegan pizza right now. So I par-baked a bunch of gluten-free doughs, and I have my vegan cheese in this cooler, and all my veggies and everything are all in the cooler.
Where's that little hand? All right, and we're back.
And we're back.
Making
All right.
pizzas.
Making pizzas. So this is Miyokos. Miyokos donated all the cheese. So this is a vegan cheese from Miyokos. So it's working out pretty great. So I'm gonna grab my veggies from the cooler here.
Oops, sorry.
Okay.
So beautiful. I love the glass that you got going on.
And these mushrooms here, the Miyokos mushroom, gourmet mushrooms, they donated mushrooms.
Oh, yay.
So that was really wonderful. And so we have some sauteed onions here. Those will be really, really good. And we have some artichoke hearts. Everybody loves artichoke hearts on pizza. And of course we got garlic. And we got some herbs, some herb shake I got from the community market. So we'll put a little bit of that on. And of course you get a little extra Italian seasoning, so put a little of that on. And just a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Just give it a little extra And okay, so I think that's good. So let's go ahead and put this out in the oven.
Okay, let's do that. Here we go.
Picture, you're taking a picture, are you?
Hi, I'm filming right now. I'll be right there.
Okay. So there it is. So we got this this cob oven here. Now let it do its magic there. And so this is actually the first firing of this oven. This is a new oven. And you can see this here. This is kind of exciting. This is my new food handler certificate of completion. So I took my test last night and got my certificate. So we're all legit. And so yeah, so we'll let it do its thing. Go ahead and put the door on. And just let it do its magic.
All right.
So yeah. So yeah. So come on down to the market. Yeah.
Thank you, Miguel.
Okay. Thank you. Cool.
Let's go.
So it's $5. You can put it in there.